Uncle Mackenzie, my aunt said we should write a story of 2,000 words that end with goodbye.
Story of 2,000 words that end with goodbye?
Yes.
Which class?
Primary 2.
Jesus! Where does she expect primary 2 to get 2,000 words?
I don't know. She says tests.
$2,000 words is too much.
Uncle Mark, she said we should give it to our parents, let them help us and do. If not, we will fail.
Oh, you are right. One day as I was coming back from school, I now saw police people blowing siren. Wah, 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 wah.
Uncle spell wah. Okay, don't worry. Wah, 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 wah.
Then they now blow more siren. Wah, 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 wah.
Then they now started to blow more siren. Wah, 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 wah. Uncle Mark, let me add my own. And I saw a trailer horning. Pee, pee, pee.
Add more pee, pee, pee.
Pee, pee, pee.
Add paw, paw, paw.
Paw, 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 paw.
Then the police people now continued blowing siren. Wow, 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 wow.
Then the police people now continue.
Do 5 page. Wow.
Okay. Uncle Mark, I've done plenty wow.
Then the police people now stop.
The police people now stop their car
and dropped a police officer.
And
told him goodbye. That is the end of the story.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, Uncle Mark, I wrote 3,000 words instead of 2,000 words.
I cancel 1,001.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Time keeps us apart. You held me high. You held me high. You're in the shadows of my heart, so I can find my way.